channel. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thank you for subscribing. I want to talk today about the online dental companies, of which I'm not a fan of, especially Small Direct Club. That is the site where you actually do your orthodontics online, which for the life of me, I don't get. The patients that we see are coming in that have come from that company and they have not had x-rays taken, they have decay. They haven't had their decay taken care of because they weren't diagnosed, because they weren't seen by a dentist. It is so important to be evaluated for a dentist. The last patient that we saw wasn't even a candidate for the clear aligner. She was really a candidate for your traditional braces. Her teeth were incredibly flared. But yet they went ahead and signed her up, and she came in very upset, and now she's trying to get a refund, which is almost impossible. So I've got Howard here. Howard chose to come in and get traditional Invisalign, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what was your reason for not going online? And because I know you did some research for doing orthodontics online.
Well, as you stated, I did a little research and I read a lot of reviews. There's a lot of horror stories out there. For example, is it Smile Direct?
Yeah, Small Direct Club.
Smile Direct Club, they do the moldings, you know. A lot can go wrong in that, and it really throws everything off. So you do the digital impression?
We take digital impression, so they expect you as a consumer to take your own impression.
Yes, yes.
And okay, let me just say something. We have trained dental assistants that take them years to perfect taking an impression without any voids or tears. It's very complicated. So basically what they're doing is relying on your impression to treat the case. And if there's any voids, you're out of luck, right?
It definitely is the cheaper route, but in the long term, you're gonna have to pay for, you know, the real deal.
So you decided to see a dentist also. I mean, why did you decide to see a dentist?
I decided to see a dentist that way. I'm just looking at longevity. Yeah, it may cost just a tad bit more, but you know you're getting perfection. And that's something I know that I wasn't gonna get due to the reviews I read.
Right, well the problem is they don't have a dentist that reviews anything. So basically you're relying on your connection with an online company, and you're not seeing a dentist, because we actually see you how often? We see you every 3 aligners, correct?
Yes.
And so let's take a look and we'll show the computer animation of exactly what we do.
Okay.
Okay, so these are digitally done, and we actually get a preview, and you will just watch the screen and you'll see how the teeth straighten out over the series of aligners. We actually check the patient every set of 2 aligners, so they are critiqued and evaluated, and we can correct things before the treatment is finished. Dentistry needs to stay in the hands of dentists. We're here to take care of your health, to make sure your bone is healthy. If you have any loose teeth and you're thinking about getting Invisalign, don't do it, because it can loosen your teeth even more. We also need to make sure that you're cavity free, because you have decay. Those aligners can actually make your decay worse. We're here to take care of you. Please beware of any online companies. Small Direct, I'm not a fan. So if you're thinking about getting Invisalign or orthodontics, see a dentist. We're all about you, the patient. Thanks. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady.